Hi guys, today for you I have the September Yume Twins box for you. Yeah, so the box is the same, it's purple, it says Yume Twins. And you get our little rainbows and clouds and cats on our sides. And the bottom is the same thing. Alright, ooh, what do we get? Let's see, here's our booklet. Looks like the theme might be something to do with Totoro, maybe. There's a bird and Snorlax in here with a little bag, and they're driving in the car. It's a staycation. So that's this month's, September's month's theme. It says, Pikachu, we choose you. It says, did you know that Pikachu first appeared was in 1996 as a part of the Pokemon Red and Pokemon Blue games. Since then, Pokemon and Pikachu have become a culture icon worldwide. I actually have had Pokemon Blue for my Game Boy Color, so I know how cool that was when that came out. So in 1996, Pikachu looked like this. Then in 2005, Pikachu looked like this. And in 2007, Pikachu looked like this. And then 2016, Pikachu looks like this now. So it says, Konnichiwa, hey Yume Twins family, have you ever suddenly decided that you wanted to go on a vacation but couldn't find time to go out of the country or even from your own town? Japan happens to be a lot of... In Japan, this happens quite a lot. So we thought, hey, let's create a box that can help out others who have this issue too. Inspired by this, we decided to make September Staycation box. In this box, you can find a variety of items that will help you when you go out on a trip, whenever it's just the weekend or week away. Hope that this month's box will feel motivated and go to your own staycation. Enjoy a nice kawaii weekend away somewhere, even if it's close in your home. Okay, so we'll come back to this page. I'll read you about the little stuffy we're gonna get. It says, Osan bird. Did you know that Japanese Osan are natural hot spring baths that can be found throughout Japan? Many Japanese people take a weekend vacations to Osans with friends, family. This kawaii Osan bird plushie joined in on the fun too and decided to take a trip with their friends. How cute are they with their little Osan towels? I wonder which one we got. Tell me which one of these is your favorite. Alright, so there is a photo contest. It says, for this month's photo contest, show us how you'll see your new Sanrio eco bags. Show us the kawaii item, crazy stuff, or groceries you packed for your upcoming staycation. Upload your photo to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter using the hashtag Sanrio Bag Yume Twins October 10th, 2018 for a chance to win. We can't wait to see your entry. So the first grand prize winner will receive a Pikachu big drum bag, Pikachu foldable umbrella, and 3 months of Yume Twins for free. And the runner-ups will be getting a Pokemon Cup, and then 1 month of Yume Twins subscription for free. Alright, so here is the next page. Instead of our art corner, we have our art corner, but it's with food. It says Bento by Miss Mackie Cakes. So we got a Totoro and his friends. And then we have Bento by I Like Pancakes, and we got us. I can't think of his name, but I know who he is. It's not Cinnamon Rolls, not My Melody. I'll think of it later. And then we have Bento by Lady of Forbidden, and she just has like rice and stuff in there. And then we have Bento by Nicola Loda-san, and yeah, it says cute brunch bentos. Every month we're seeing new how creative our family members are. Check out creative everyone got making these bentos using last month's food container sets. And then this is the Yume prize. There's a Totoro plush. I really want that. And then it says the new Hello Kitty it's the little bullet train, I guess. In June this year, a new bullet train, or yeah, the words I can't pronounce, debuted this year, and it got a lot of attention. Why all the buzz? Well, the train got a complete Hello Kitty makeover. A lot of Sanrio and Hello Kitty fans are going crazy over this train. Reservations are a definite must-have. You must want to take a try on the train. This will only run for 3 months, so there are people scrambling to get a ticket before that time is up. The colors, designs, and colors of Hello Kitty make this train much ride, find kawaii everywhere. And if you guys see your photo here, give me a like button. Alright, so the first thing in our box, or whatever I pull out, let's start with the bird. So we got this one. So I think it's a woodpecker because she got a little tuft up here, but I'm not 100% sure. And she's blushing because of the osen. And she has a little steam thingy on her butt, or his butt, and a tail, and a little towel. It says, Osan Kawaii plushies this month. These are adorable Osan birds. Osan are natural hot springs in Japan that many people take weekend trips to visit. Oftentimes, many people go with friends, family, and stay overnight for popular Osan. They feel really refreshed after a long week. Where would you go to relax? Probably the beach. I would like the beach. Yeah, the beach would be a great place. Or maybe taking a walk in the forest. Alright. So the next thing in our box is this Hello Kitty toothbrush and spit cup, or rinse cup, or whatever. It says character toothbrush kit. If you are going somewhere overnight on your mini trip, you'll need to keep your teeth healthy, so we included the super cute toothbrush kit. This kit comes in either a Totoro Hello Kitty design and features a foldable toothbrush and cup set. It's incredibly portable, which makes it great for trips. I would have liked the Totoro, but Hello Kitty is just cute too. So here's the toothbrush. We got a Hello Kitty. It says where to next, Captain. There's a little mouse right here. It says that. Toothbrush. So you just stick it in like that when you want to brush your teeth. And here's the little spit cup, or rinse cup, and she's in her little suitcase, and it says, welcome to Hello Kitty Island. You know, this would go great on that bullet train. And then, I believe, it just fits in there like that. Because there are the directions in the back there. Alright, so the next thing I pulled out is this right here. It says Maruphobiri sticker notes. When you're on a trip and you need to make sure things are marked and organized, help you go out, that Kawaii Sanrio character is here with a super cute sticky notes. One comes in 8 different styles. So these are the ones we got. Alright. So next is this, I believe this is a water bottle. It says Disney Tsum Tsum's tumbler. One key item to the trip is a tumbler. Everyone loves to bring their favorite drinks with them wherever they go. And this cute Disney Tsum Tsum one will help you just that. Which Disney Tsum Tsum character did you get? So I got the one with all of them on it. It looks like there are 3 other designs. You can get one with either Minnie or Mickey here, and then some other characters. The next item, ooh, okay, we got this tote bag that they were talking about. This is Sanrio Eco Bag. When you go on a trip, bags are everything. This month you can find a super kawaii and incredibly durable Sanrio Eco Bag. This bag is perfect to carry all your staycation goods and has a button at the top of the bag to keep them secure. This comes in 6 different designs. Did you get a little twin star or My Melody? I got twin star. So this is the design. I got all the characters on there. Alright, the next thing and the last thing in our box is this right here. It says a cute zipper design bag. It says time to go and staycation. When packing, you need something to carry small items, snacks, and more in it. You're lucky since you can find some incredibly cute zipper bags in your box. They come in 6 different character designs. Which one did you get? I got Pikachu, which is really cool because I like Pikachu. The other ones are like Snorlax, My Melody, the Umbai, I think one is Rimakuma, and then that dog that I forgot what his name is. Alright, so thing out of the box that I like the most is probably our little bird plushie. Then the toothbrush, then the bag, and then this, and then this, and then this. So they're all great. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you check this video out. And the reason why I've been recording, not because of the Yume twins, because that just came in yesterday, is because I'm working on a TARDIS dress for RockCon. So if you want to check that video out, I'll have that up maybe next week, because I still have to make one more part for it. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Oh, and I do have a P.O. box. It's 2666662. So 2 3 6s and a 2. Rochester, New York 14626. I'll put it in the description box below if you're interested, and it's also on my YouTube homepage. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.